أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ربي اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. Today we start our lesson from verse number 26. Inna Allah la yastahi. Meaning of inna is verily. In Arabic, inna is included in the letters similar to wa. Allah, like personal name of Allah Almighty. Root word of Allah is alif lam ha. La yastahi. Meaning of la is not. Root word of yastahi is ha ya, and the meaning of yastahi is ashamed. An yazriba, meaning of an is to. An yazriba, ya is used as a prefix. Root word of yazriba is za, ra, ba, and the meaning of yazriba is set forth. In masalan, tanween make this indefinite noun, and the root word of masalan is mim, salam, and the meaning of masalan is a parable. Ma ba'uzatan, meaning of ma is even. Ba'uzatan is an indefinite noun. Round ta at the end of ba'uzatan make this feminine. This word ba'uzatan, the meaning of ba'uzatan is mosquito, and the root word of this word is ba and za. Kama, fa and ma are both used as letters. Meaning of fa is and meaning of ma is something. In fawqaha, ha is an adjective pronoun. Root word of fawqaha is fa, waw, qaf, and the meaning of fawqaha, ha is above it. Meaning of fa'amma is then as for. Alladina is a conjunction. Meaning of alladina is those who. In amanu, fa alif is suffix, which is used for plural, and the root word of amanu is hamza mim noon, so the meaning of amanu will be believe. Translation of fa'ammal lazina amanu is then as for those who believe. In fayalamun, fa is used as a letter, ya is prefix, and the waw noon is fixed, so the root word of fayalamun will be ain lam mim, and the meaning of fayalamun will be thus they know. In annahu, anna is used as a letter. Meaning of anna is that, and who is an attached pronoun, so the meaning of annahu will be that it. In al-haqqu, I'll make this definite noun. Root word of al-haqqu will be ha, of, and the meaning of al-haqqu is the truth. In min rabbihim, min is a preposition. Meaning of min is from. Rabb is an attribute of Allah Almighty. Root word of Rabb is ra, ba, and the meaning of Rabb is Lord. In Rabbihim, him is an attached pronoun. Meaning of him is there, so the meaning of min Rabbihim will be from their Lord. Lazina, wa is preposition, and the meaning of wa is an. Meaning of amma is as for. Allazina is used as conjunction, so the meaning of allazina is those who. In kafaru, wa alif is suffix, and the root word of kafaru is kafara, so the meaning of kafaru is disbelief. In fayakuluna, fa is used as a letter, ya is prefix, wa noon is used as a suffix. Here ya, ta, alif and noon are the prefixes which are used in fi'l mudari. These prefixes shows present and fit. Root word of fayakuluna is kaf, waw, lam, and the meaning of fayakuluna will be thus they say. Maza aradan lahu. Maza is used as interrogative in Quran. Meaning of maza is what? Arada, root word of arada is ra, waw, dal, and the meaning of arada is intent. Allah is the personal name of Allah Almighty. Root word of Allah is alif lam ha. In bihaza, be is used as a preposition. Meaning of be is by. Haza is a demonstrative pronoun. Meaning of haza is this. Masalan is an indefinite noun. Root word of masalan is min, salam. Meaning of masalan is parable. A yuzillu, ya is used as a prefix. Root word of yuzillu is swat, lam, so the meaning of yuzillu is he misleads. In bihi, be is used as a preposition. Meaning of be is by, and he is an attached pronoun. The meaning of bihi is by it. Kasiran is an indefinite noun. Root word of kasiran is ka, sa, ra, and the meaning of kasiran is many. Yahdi, voice preposition, meaning of voice, and in Yahdi, ya is prefix, and the meaning of ya is he. Root word of Yahdi is ha, dal, ya, and the meaning of Yahdi is he guides. Bihi, be is preposition, and the meaning of be is by, and the he is an type pronoun. The meaning of he is it. So the meaning of bihi is by it. Kasiran is an indefinite noun. Root word of kasiran is ka, sa, ra, and the meaning of kasiran is many. Wama yuzillu, wa is preposition, and the meaning of wa is and. Meaning of ma is not. Yuzillu, ya is a prefix. Root word of yuzillu is zat, lam, lam. So the meaning of yuzillu is he misleads. Bihi, the meaning of bihi is by it. Illa, meaning of illa is except. In al-fasiqeen, I'll make this definite noun. Yanun is used as a suffix. Root word of al-fasiqeen is fa, sin, ka, and the meaning of al-fasiqeen is the disobedient one. So the complete translation of this verse will be, verily Allah is not ashamed to set forth a parable even of a mosquito, or so much more when it is bigger, or less when it is smaller than it. And as for those who believe, they know that it is the truth from their Lord. But as for those who disbelieve, they say, what did Allah intend by this parable? By it he misleads many, and many he guides thereby. And he misleads thereby only those who are al-fasiqeen, the rebellious, disobedient to Allah Almighty.